The Xiaomi Redmi K90 Pro Max packs boss-level sound with Dolby Atmos and a 200-megapixel AI camera that captures every detail in perfection. Truly, the ultimate flagship experience of 2025. If you're new here, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Today we are going to fully unboxing Xiaomi Redmi K90 Pro Max, Xiaomi Redmi smartwatch, and earbuds. Let's go. Now cut the packing and see inside fully loaded box. First we pick the Redmi Amazing smartwatch, and second one is Xiaomi Mi earbuds, and the model is Air 4 SE. That's good. So now guys, finally we pick the Xiaomi Redmi K90 Pro Max. Oh woo. The real beauty is here. The Redmi K90 Pro Max arrives in a sleek matte black box with bold metallic K90 branding across the top. The box feels sturdy and premium, matching the flagship identity of the device. When you slide open the box, you're greeted with Xiaomi's signature minimalist layout. Everything neatly arranged to give that satisfying premium first impression. SIM ejector tool, sleek metal pin with Xiaomi engraving. Second one is I think it's guidebook with a sleek silicone protective pouch. Amazing. Guys, now we pick the phone K90 Pro Max and out the box, whoa! The Redmi K90 Pro Max feels instantly premium in hand. This is 100-watt hypercharge fast charger, USB Type-C cable, red and white theme. Strongly built, matching Xiaomi's signature cable design. So let's weight the Xiaomi Redmi K90 Pro Max. Wow, it's 220.8. It's really amazing device. It has a matte finish glass back with a metallic camera ring and curved sides that reflect light beautifully. The rear camera setup, especially the 200-megapixel AI main sensor, looks futuristic and bold. The 200-megapixel main camera is the highlight of this device, capable of capturing crisp, detailed shots in all lighting conditions. The 50-megapixel ultra-wide, 10-megapixel telephoto, and AI macro lens complete the setup. The 32-megapixel front camera delivers beautiful portraits and smooth 4K video recording. The camera UI also features AI scene optimization, Night Mode 2.0, and 8K video support, making it a complete mobile photography tool. So guys, this is unboxing of the great flagship Xiaomi Redmi K90 Pro Max. I hope you like this video. Tell us in the comments section that how do you like this video? If you like it, hit the like button, share this video, and subscribe to our channel, My Technological World. Thanks for watching.